Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade and I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is Assignment Problem. What is assignment problem? Assignment problem refers to special class of linear programming problems that involves determining the most efficient assignment of people to projects, sales people to territories, contracts to bidders, and so on. It is often used to minimize total cost or time of performing tasks. One important characteristic of assignment problem is that only one job is assigned to one machine. What is assignment problem? Each assignment problem has a matrix associated with it. The number in the table indicates cost associated with the assignment. The most efficient linear programming algorithm to find optimum solution to an assignment problem is Hungarian method. Assignment problem using Hungarian method. The Hungarian method is a combinatorial optimization algorithm that solves the assignment problem in polynomial nominal time and which anticipated later premier dual method. It was developed and published in 1955 by Hodel Kuhn, who gave this name Hungarian method because the algorithm was largely based on the earlier works of two Hungarian mathematicians, Dan Snowy and Geno Egervei. Requirements of dummy row and columns. To arrive at the solution, assignment problem requires equal number of row and columns. If the number of tasks that needs to be done exceeds the number of resources available, dummy row or a column just needs to be added as the case may be. This creates a table of equal dimensions. The dummy row or column is not existent. Hence, the value can be entered as zeros. Here is the one case study. So, a company has a 5 job to be done by 5 workers. Each worker are assigned to one and only one job. Number of hours each worker takes to complete a job is given with. Here is total number of jobs and total number of workers. Total number of jobs denotes with J1, J2, J3, J4 and J5 and the worker denotes with W1, W2, W3, W4 and W5 and the job done by them are here. Step 1. So calculation is step 1. Find the minimum element in each row and subtract it from all the elements of that particular row. Next step 2. Step 2 is find the minimum element in each column and subtract it from all the elements of that particular column. So first we need to find minimum element in each row and then step 2 we need to find minimum element in each column. Remark step 1 and 2 creates at least one zero in each row and column. Step 3 starting from first row if there is exact one zero, make an assignment and cancel all zeros in that column and then draw a vertical line. Similarly, starting from first column, if there is exact one zero, make an assignment and cancel all zeros in that row and then draw a horizontal line. Continue this step till all zeros are an assignment or cancelled. Step 3 continued. If optimal assignment is not formed, go to step 4 that is there should be 5 straight lines. Step 4. Ensure all zeros are covered with minimum one line. Find the minimum element not covered by any line. Step 5. Subtract the element, that is 5, from the elements not covered by the line. Also add the same element, that is 5, to the elements which are at the intersection. Follow step 3. Cover all zeros with a straight line. Again, since 5 lines are needed, and optional assignment can be made. Assign J1 W1 18, J2 W2 24, J3 W2 24, JW W4 24, J5 W5 36. Minimum total time is equal to 126 hours. Hence the optimum solution is unique.